government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, would be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Government badness, lock down the whole globe but don't wanna give the public no access. NWO worldwide, all round the atlas. One thing that I know is the ones in charge, them all are too worthless. Just pure government badness. Fact check, I don't know what the facts is. Get up on the internet, check the word from the nurse and the doctors. Can't inject my son and my daughters with the drugs and toxins. Must still won't start boxing. Better yet, draw from a cutlass for the fuckeries and the government badness. What did the government do? Set tell lies to the public view. I heard the news and none of it's true. Now we're all mad like a wild pit bull. Feel sorry for the people fighting for toilet tissue, petrol. All the workers, the web essential. Now what they gonna do when the rent's due? I'm only asking, let me ask. No free entry without a mask. Scared of the air that I breathe while most is MP speak out the arse. Medical apartheid, I can't lie, it's kinda like the caste system of the past, divide the whole world in a half and half. With the government badness, lock down the whole globe but don't wanna give the public no access. NWO worldwide, all round the atlas. One thing that I know with the ones in charge, them all are too what?